Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Zapier. It's to make a Zap. Just kidding, this is not what it's about. It is about making a Zap and a shortcut, but not the right way to introduce it. Today's video will be about how to make money or increase your income with Zapier. So Zapier is a popular automation tools that allows you to connect different web applications and automate respective tasks. And this video will be about 10 ways to get money or increase your incomes using Zapier. So the first thing is help clients automate their workflow. Many businesses struggle with inefficient workflows and manual data entry. You can offer your service to clients and help them to set automated workflow using Zapier. So you can charge a fee for your services and earn revenue from your clients. The second way is to sell Zap templates. Zapier allows you to create custom Zapes, automated workflows, and save them as templates. You can create and sell these templates to other users who are looking for a specific automation. You can sell your template on marketplaces such as Gumroad or your own website. The third way is to become a Zapier expert. If you have experience with Zapier and are familiar with its features, you can offer your expertise as consultant or trainer. You can help clients optimize their workflow, troubleshoot issues, and provide training on how to use Zapier. You can charge a fee for your services and earn revenue from your clients. Offer integration services. Zapier. This is the fourth way. Offer integration services. Zapier integrates with over 2,000 web applications, and many businesses struggle with integration different apps. You can offer your service to help clients integrate with their apps using Zapier. You can charge a fee for your services and earn revenue from your clients. So you were hearing me saying Zapier, Zapier, create, automation. So it's like this. I will give you an example given by the website himself. You can create a Trello card from new Google Calendar event. You can create a Trello card from new started Gmail emails. You can send new Gmail emails as Slack channel message. You can mix between accounts, like add new HubSpot contacts to MailChimp. You can send Slack channel messages for new Google Calendar events and others. When something happens in one of your account or application, the other apps will react immediately. If you have, like we say, if you receive an email on Gmail, you can just create something new on HubSpot. You can add a new email on MailChimp. You can add an event on Google Calendar automatically. Those are the templates, like we said, you create. You can create 2,000 of automation and Zapes. So the fifth way is to create and sell custom integration. Zapier allows you to create custom integration using its API. If you have coding skills, you can create custom integration for clients who need specific integration that is not available on Zapier. You can charge fee for your service and earn revenue from your client, or you can just sell it. The sixth way is to create and sell Zapier courses. If you are an expert in Zapier, you can create and sell online courses that teach others how to use Zapier effectively. You can use platforms such as Teachable or Udemy to create and sell your course. The seventh is to promote affiliate program. Zapier has an affiliate program that allows you to earn a commission on every user who sign up for a paid plan to your referral link. You can promote Zapier plans on your websites, on social media, and earn commission on every sale made through your affiliate link. The eighth way is to sell Zapier add-ons. Zapier allows developers to create custom add-ons that can be used within the Zapier ecosystem. If you have coding skills, you can create and sell add-ons that provide additional functionality to Zapier users. You can sell your add-ons on marketplace such as Gumroad or your own website. The ninth way, and before the last one, is to create and sell Zapier templates for niche markets. If you have expertise in a specific niche market, you can create and sell Zapier templates that cater to that market. For example, if you specialize in real estate, you can create and sell Zap that automate take specific real estate agent. You can sell your templates on marketplace such as Gumroad or your own website. So the last and the 10th way is to offer Zapier support service. Many users struggle with their settings, app, and troubleshooting their zaps. You can offer your service as a Zapier support specialist and help users solve their issues. You can charge fees for your services and earn revenue from your clients. So those are the basic settings on your profile. You have to fill this so your account will be legal and you can start working. And the most important is billing and payment method. The website accepts many payment method. So here we have members and audit log are closed. I don't remember why. So here you can change your password, first name, last name, company, role, and the time zone. So in conclusion, Zapier offers many opportunities to make money online, from offering consulting and integration services to selling Zap templates and add-ons. By leveraging Zapier powerful automating tools, you can build a successful online business and earn a steady income.